Alright, so that's
Gun 1, barrel change.
Push the type panel forward.
alright, so from here.
Yep. Grab them, roll them over. You're going to roll them over. Get them off that gun. Yeah, buddy. Oh, boy. Get on the gun. Hey, go back. I was trying to start. There you go. Now you can. So, rolling. Hell yeah. Okay, Johnson.
Where am I going from here?
There you go.
Usualmente él también, él antes de ser un oficial fue un militar.
Ya sé, ¿no?
No deje dejo el control.
La mano siempre ahí. Ahí va.
No.
Ahí va.
He's gonna disarm it. He's gonna break it.
Disassemble.
Una tetita.
Abajo hay un correcto.
Ahí va.
Yeah, this guy, you got it. You got it. It's good.
Dale, ¿quién me lo sabe?
Una función es cuando puedes dejarla ir, pero siempre mantener ese control con una sola mano. Luego hacer lo demás con la mano izquierda.
Desarme luego con el.
Post temprano ya hay una persona que ya no puede disparar si algo le sucede. Entonces queremos evitar esa situación.
Evitar baja ahí.
Sí.
Y en el fin, cuando listo, el arma.
Adentro de un pelotón está el equipo de armas y luego está, usualmente son 3 escuadrones. Entonces, 13 a la misma dirección.
Look up. You're just sweeping this for brass.
Oh, so I'm still looking.
No, you're not supposed to be looking, but I'm just showing you. You're just sweeping it for brass, and then you're just clearing out the tray.
Okay.
And then you flip the tray up. Make sure there's no brass in there. Now, nothing in there. Now pop your head up. Look. You see anything in there?
Oh, clear.
Okay. Pop this down.
Clear. Pull the truck. Yeah. Go ahead.
Go ahead, send it forward. Make sure you get
Sweep it.
rounds off the feed tray.
Yeah.
And also, there's a lot of brass like that gets like the dust from the brass gets
Linkages and shit too, right?
Yeah.
Your head down. As you open the cover, in the gun, as it's firing, it's going to be really, really hot. So as you open that cover, what is like normal room temperature air is going to rush in. And to the gun, that's
Pulling that.
Make sure you get your fingers down in there, just in case some cartridges stuck. You just like push down.